I totally forgot to start my vlog this morning. So a lot of things happened already. We had breakfast. We actually went out surfing. I did a film with my GoPro Hero 3, and I'm gonna insert some footage into this vlog as well, so you can see what you can get out of that. I'm doing a review on it anyway. So I'm here with Jimmy, just returning the surfboard, and then woohoo! And then we're going to do a little photo shoot, and then we're going out for dinner. Woo! That should be very exciting.
That's what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I'm getting so hungry. Yeah, I'll take you along to that. Alright, so we're in the middle of a photo shoot for Celina right now. Weather's kind of turned on us. It's been raining and drizzling. It's a bit dry. Keep the camera here dry, try to keep Celina dry and make us get washed off. But I think we've got most of the shots. We're going to do a few more detailed shots, and the rain is kind of coming and going. At the moment it's a bit of a gap in the clouds, so we're going to use that opportunity to get the last shots in. Find any crabs?
No.
No crabs?
Holy crap, no crabs.
Trying to find out who feels the most uncomfortable having the most cameras on him. I'm okay with it. Celina seems a little uncomfortable. Not sure about Violet. Let's try. Everybody's camera on Violet. Okay, yeah, now that kind of diffused the situation. It's a pretty nice spot here though. Once the tide's out with all the rocks showing through. I mean, the floods have taken away a lot of sand, like a lot of sand, but it's actually really scenic now.
It's nice with the rocks in here. You can actually see like when the rocks are little
Yeah, it's actually very nice. And for the third time in a row, we're going with Yogurt World, which is becoming our customary dessert. This is so good. After trying banana, French vanilla and white chocolate, and so I think Jimmy definitely has the most colorful.
I get the most colorful, it means I win. Life's a competition, and I win everything.
Exactly, and since it's yogurt, it's healthy, right?
It's healthy.
Exactly.
Hey, mine is like 98% peppery, the watermelon part, so.
Can't go wrong with that.
Are you black clothes?
No, unfortunately not, but this will make great vlog material anyways. So anyways, we run out of toilet paper. Apparently there's not a spare roll in the apartment. Reception closes at 2 PM, which means we can't get any more toilet paper from them either. So we're gonna commence Operation Toilet Paper, which includes me and James running down towards the pool and stealing a roll from the public bathroom on the pool area. Man, so I even put on my little leather jacket. So inconspicuous.
Inconspicuous. Is this what we've been reduced to?
If they had some extra spare one.
You need a key? I think this has happened before to them. We may have to call it quits on this one. Return, hanging our heads in shame.
It was sealed off in like a box. You didn't have a key for it and I didn't want to rip it off the wall. We had a lot of excitement. We did a lot of filming today. Went surfing, tried the GoPro Hero 3, did some more video shoots with Celina and Violet. Then we went to the 4th floor for dinner, and now we're gonna have some snacks, Yogurt World, and watch some trashy Australian TV. And then tomorrow, unfortunately, we're gonna be heading back to Melbourne. Except for Violet and Jimmy, who are gonna stay a little longer.
And have more Yogurt World.
More Yogurt World, exactly. I expect a lot of vlogs on how Yogurt World. Try all the flavors and all the toppings and let us
Yes,
know.
I'll definitely try all the flavors. I definitely won't get the same two that I always get.
Alright, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.